Hi, my name is Ben Lay, and for my MAE 52 final project, I chose to recreate omnidirectional maneuver gear from the popular anime series Attack on Titan. In the show, the gear is used by soldiers to maneuver around tough terrain and to kill giant beings known as Titans. My build consists of three main sub-assemblies, including the gas blowback mechanism, the handle grips with a blade attached, and the holster that carries the extra blades and gas container. In total, there are 24 unique individual components, and the entire design took approximately 50 hours to complete. I learned many new techniques in the design process of this project. While recreating the handle grips, for example, I learned a lot about using the surface features within SOLIDWORKS. After learning how to use surface extrudes and boundary surfaces with the help of some tutorials, I was able to replicate the grip shape and use the same techniques to recreate other components in the project. To test the durability of my design, I did my best to simulate the forces expected when you swing a sword against hard objects. I picked alloy steel as the material because I felt that it was the closest to the description of ultra-hard steel, which is the fictional material that is used in the show. The max stress of about 50,000 psi should be more than enough to be durable in battle. The most difficult aspect of this project was imagining the way all the parts interacted together mechanically. Instead of designing a fully functional mechanical system connecting all the components together, I opted to use advanced mates to show each component's relative motion and how they fit with one another. I hope you enjoyed taking a look at my MAE 52 final project. Thank you for watching.